Hi, I'm Dr. Brooke Moore, and you are taking AEP 803 Educational Research with me this summer. I am a tenured associate professor in the Advanced Education Programs Department, and I'm also an educational researcher. You've obviously found this video, so you can also read about me in the Start Here tab in your tools bar for your course. I'm going to talk a little bit about how to access all of the things that you need to access for this course. And then in a separate video, I'm going to talk a little bit about your assignments for the course. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the syllabus tab and actually click the links to download the syllabus for the class and the course schedule. I would highly recommend that you download those and save those on your desktop so that you have access to them. Again, this is a summer class, so it goes quick. This is normally a 16-week course, and it is, of course, compacted into 8 weeks. So you're going to have some weeks where you're going to have quite a bit of reading to do, and then some weeks won't be as much reading, but there'll be more assignments to do. So that's the first thing you should do, download those. And then let's talk a little bit about your learning modules. There's 4 modules in this course, and once you click on a tab, a folder, you'll start with your module learning outcomes, and then there'll be folders for each week. You just click on the text for the folder. Now, one thing I want to show you is sometimes, and you can look at the icons here to find out, you can just click on that and it's a link to an external article. But from time to time, the link may be to an actual article that's loaded. Let me find an example of that in Learning Module 2. So instead of clicking on the link, see when I click here, it won't let me click on anything. That's because the article is attached. So you'll have to click on the link for the article to then download the article. So readings are any of your assigned readings, you'll have this icon attached and it'll say afterwards assigned reading. Sometimes there's informatics. In this case, this one's linked to an external informatic. There's another assigned reading. Sometimes there'll be videos that they're linked to for assigned activities. And then other things, other resources available. In Module 3 is when you begin your article analyses, and you'll see the article that you're going to analyze by its own icon as well. There it is. So when you see this icon, you know that it's going to be it's going to be an article that you're going to download and review, and you're going to be doing an assignment for that particular article. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a quick email. Thanks so much.